We've been talking about the Arnold, bringing in over 100,000 people to Central Ohio. It hosts over 60 different sporting events throughout the weekend.
So this morning, we are getting a closer look at one of the many competitions showcased this weekend. Joining us now live from the Convention Center is Odd Haugen, the chairman of Moss Wrestling. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
All right, thank you so much for joining us. Can you talk us through what Moss Wrestling is and some of the rules? It looks exhausting.
Yes. The idea is they sit across from each other with a board in between them and hold on to a stick, and they wrestle over the stick. Basically, it's basically a stick wrestling, and Moss means sticky in the Yakutian language, which is where the sport comes from, the modern version of the sport. This is what they do, and matches may last a split second or they may last half a minute, but anytime it goes over 10 seconds, it's very exhausting because they're all out. It's a full body sport. It's not like just the arms or just the grip. It's grip, legs, back, everything, as you can say.
It looks like the core is engaged.
I have two. Oh, very much. You had to be very strong core and very explosive. And but it works for everybody. The interesting thing is you can see how they are using the back. There's no shearing power on the back. They're just using the length of the back, and the leverage is very important.
So walk us through too.
Is that, as you see here?
How do you, like we just saw it end there? So are there multiple rounds of this? How do you score it?
Yes, at best 2 out of 3. So if we start with the red athlete on the red side, get the choice of how he grab the stick.
Absolutely.
And then it doesn't matter who wins, but it's in the second round the blue has a choice. So. Blue has a choice here, and he takes the inside grip, and you can see he has some hand protectors to just protect him. It doesn't help the grip, but it keeps his skin from tearing.
Wow.
And yeah, this is the indigenous sport of, I think, I don't know where the origin came out of, because almost every culture has some version of this type of thing. But the Vikings supposedly brought it to to the British Isles, brought it to the Yakutian people as well. And
this is great. Thank you so much.
Odd Haugen for us at the Convention Center. Thank you. This is he's walking us through Moss Wrestling as we're finishing the second round.
I think Red won again.
Yeah. You know what this kind of reminds me of? This was me and my brother in our family room fighting over the remote. That's exactly what this was.
Yeah, it's true. Yeah, it's true. The kids love it. You put 2 kids down there and you don't get them off there. They keep pulling at the stick.
Thank you so much, Al, for joining us this morning. We're going to check back in with the folks down there at the Arnold. So you're already well on your way to being a champion.
I feel like I've been practicing my whole life for this event.